Get your hand out of the camera, buddy.
I'm trying to get the...
Steve, tell him to get this hand out of the camera.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny King.
I'm Musclehead Kevin.
We're the Klar Brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro. Here for your health.
Now we are.
Tonight we got a healthy one, huh?
That's right.
And super simple.
Super simple and healthy, which is right down our alley.
Yeah, I heard it's like three ingredients.
Well, we're going to show them here in a minute. So we are cooking up Israeli salad. Not sure what makes it Israeli, but maybe we'll do a little Google in between and figure that out. Israeli salad and lemon-infused salmon.
Yep, that's right. And
My brother doesn't like fish, but he
I
loves
love
some salmon.
I like salmon for sure. Yeah. We should have been filming because my brother almost cut his finger off.
My fingers. Okay, so here's what we got. Pretty simple. We've got our salmon. But this serves 4. The recipe calls for serving 2, so we've doubled the recipe. Salmon, lemon wedges that go on the salmon to kind of infuse the salmon. We got some, what is that?
Parsley, and
chives,
some
scallions, lemon
juice, salt and pepper, and cherry tomatoes. And this is the what did we call it?
English cucumber.
So it comes wrapped up in a thing like this. You know, that almost looks like it could be used as a weapon. But this is it, and all we do is cut this off and then peel it, and then
with like a carrot peeler or potato peeler.
It was pretty simple.
Dice it up. Yeah. So pretty simple. And
what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine the salad stuff, which is basically this stuff, and half the salt and half the pepper, and then we're just gonna basically bake these, and Bob's your uncle.
Right. Exactly. So when we come back, I think what we'll do is we'll be prepping the salmon for the oven.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we'll get it in the oven. We'll get that started, and then we'll come back after that. We'll do the salad.
We're gonna put a little salt, about half of this, because we've done this. Some of this goes on the salad, some of this goes on the salmon. So Ken's gonna put a little salt.
And we're careful with the salt because...
You know, we should have done this the other way, Ken, because you're the dark evil twin, and I am the good light twin.
We normally do, we want to be easy with the salt because you can always salt it more after it's cooked, but you can't unsalt it. So you definitely want to go easy with the salt.
Let me take that away from you. Put the salt away from him.
Okay, now we're going to put the lemon wedges, lemon slices on there because this is what's going to infuse the salmon.
Okay. And then you're going to pick it up and we're going to put it in our oven. It's going into the oven, 7 to 9 minutes. And Bob's your uncle. All right, buddy, this seems pretty simple. How about I help you out? I'm going to hold off on the salt and pepper. And it just said we're going to zhuzh it all up. We're going to mix it all up, so. Okay, and then you want to put the salt, put some of this pepper in there?
Sure.
How much do you think we want?
Well, we're supposed to put it all in there if you measured right, but if you didn't measure right, don't put it
Well,
all
it
in.
just looks like a lot of salt to me.
Yeah, it does to me too.
All right. Again, it's kind of like seasoning to taste. But
don't we have the lemon juice we got to put in here? We did that already. Okay. Because I think that's the citrus is part of what cooks these, you know, kind of tenderizes them a little bit.
Okay. Here, let me get this out of your way.
Look
All
at
right,
that.
it's got the salad all mixed up. All right, so now when the timer goes off, it's like an awooga horn or maybe it's a train horn. See, you never know what it is.
You never can.
But when it does go off, we'll know that we're ready. And then when you come back, we're going to have it plated up with a little bit of salad, salmon on top.
Perfect. Here it comes. He's coming out with it. I'm ready with the spatula.
Okay.
Now remember, you don't have to cook salmon long because you go to sushi, you can get salmon without even cooking it. So I think I'm going to need an oven mitt or something to hold the pan.
I'm here for you, bro.
We got more. We're feeding more people than just 2, so that's why we got a little extra.
It looks good, huh?
Yeah, it does.
Let me get my.
Okay, I think the lemons are optional, so yeah, so you can move those off. They're kind of a garnish, and it's supposed to.
And remember, there's some scale on the bottom, right? So
right.
Let's get a little bit of the salmon.
Mmm.
That's super yummy. I mean,
And good with the salad, huh?
yeah, you got to be in the mood for a salad. You know,
I mean, it's a different salad.
yeah, it's
It's got a lot of textures and stuff.
tomato and cucumber.
Wow. Okay. Listen, you gotta try this.
Yeah.
It was like, once we had the ingredients, it was like 10 minutes of prep time. I mean, hardly anything.
And if you go to the store, you don't have to get fresh salmon. If you want, you can get the frozen salmon and let it thaw. I mean, there's options. You don't.
My cheap
Yeah.
brother, I wanted to go to the butcher and ask him for some salmon, and he staved me off. He said, "Oh, we'll pay twice as much money for that." But it's worth it. It tastes good.
All right. So with that, Klar Brothers Bistro here for your health.